Welcome back, everyone. In this session, we are going to start with installing and setting up the environment where we can run SQL queries against PostgreSQL database using DBeaver tool. So first thing we will do is I will provide these links in the description, so don't worry right now by writing it down anything. Just to install the PostgreSQL database from this website, and it's widely available, free to use. I already have downloaded here into my folder, so I'm going to install from here. Installation is fairly easy, nothing complex required, just follow the steps. We are keeping everything default. We are going to remove this checkbox here, the stack builder. It has some extra things that we don't need, and so I just want to speed up the installation process. Just keep everything same. In here you can type the password that you want to keep. I'm just going to type 1234. Keep the same port, keep all the settings as default, and let's start installing. While that is installing, let's look at the uh, how to get the sample database. So I have a link here for to get the PostgreSQL sample database. There is a DVD rental database, a sample database available to use. There is like the ER model here, which basically explains how the different tables are connected to each other through various keys. We are just going to click here, download DVD rental sample database link, and this will get us the zip file in the download folder, which I already have extracted here into a DVD rental.tar file. So once our installation is complete, we will create the database from this file that will be visible to us in the DBeaver tool. Let's talk about how to get the DBeaver tool. If you search on the DBeaver community version on the search engine, you will get here, and I'll also provide this link into the description of the video. Just based on your system, get the Mac or the Windows download file. I already have it downloaded here into my folder, DBeaver setup, which we will do right after we finish installing this PostgreSQL software. So now the installation is finished. Let's go back to the sample database installation. So now the database was already unzipped into the folder. We'll go through how to load the sample database. Click on the load link here. So these are the specific instructions on how to do it. We'll come here and we write the psql command that will open this shell. So in here, if the setting is different, you can type it, otherwise keep the same. So nothing to type here, nothing for database, keep everything same. For password, you have to type what password is selected, 1234, and this will get us to the console prompt. In here, we're gonna type create database DVD rental, and that will create the database. Now the next step here is to exit and close that window. Now we will open the command prompt to execute additional commands. So let's copy this folder. We are going into the directory 15.bin. When we are in that directory, let's copy this command that we have to run. And change your path where your file is located. So in this case, my file is located here, and we'll do this. Again, it will ask your password 1234, and that will do it. Close this window. Now you can go to the pgadmin 4. It's a tool that came with the PostgreSQL installation. This is a management tool. That's where we can see the database is in or not, or is there any issues or anything like that. In here, type your password again, 1234, and it will show you the databases. So if you click on DVD rental, it's become connected and it's available here. There is not much to do here in any setting changes or anything, so we'll just close it out from here and we will install the DBeaver now. Click on, so once you downloaded the file, click on the, double click on that file and install the DBeaver. Just follow the simple prompts here and nothing special you have to select. Just install it. Now you can select the DBeaver. And one thing we have to go through is to set up the database connection to the PostgreSQL to a DVD rental database so that we can see the tables and do the query against. Go to database, new database connections, select there are various types of database here, select PostgreSQL, keep the setting pretty much the same for host and the port. Database, change the name to DVD rental, username same, and keep the password 1234. And let's test the connection. Internet connection is successful. Finish it. And now we have the database available. Under the schema, you have all the tables listed here. If you type simple command like select star from film, make sure you drop down the database selected here, otherwise it won't run. And you have this table. So on our subsequent sessions, we will go through learning the SQL more extensively. But this session was to how to install and set up the environment so we can start learning from here. Thank you very much.